Hello everybody, I want to have a discussion about microwave plasma systems. I mean those plasma media which work with microwave power sources as the input power source. First of all, let's have a talk about their advantages. The first advantage is related to their higher uniformity compared to other plasma systems with other input powers. They don't produce waste materials. Using these microwave plasmas, we can have a better control on the chemical reactions, and also we can expedite the chemical reactions when we use microwave plasmas. When we develop a system, a reactor based on microwave plasma, our chemical reactions are more efficient. Interestingly, the systems which work based on microwave plasma are electrodeless systems, and this is very much important in industry since it because the system have more durability. When we use this microwave plasmas, we need lower amount of solvent to expedite chemical reactions, and chemical activity promotion is another advantage of these microwave plasma systems. But let's continue our talk with their applications. Microwave plasma have many applications in gas conversion, especially hydrocarbons. We can use microwave plasmas for chemical synthesis. UV disinfection systems are can be designed and manufactured based on microwave plasmas. Using microwave plasmas, we can have a biomass gasification, and those systems which are being developed for biomass gasification are mostly based on microwave plasma systems. Using microwave plasma, we can have high rate PECVD compared to other plasma systems, especially RF plasma systems. And finally, those plasma systems which we use for stripping and etching, if we design them using microwave plasma, they work more efficient compared to other systems, especially RF or pulsed plasma generators.